We'll start off with some breaking news. A US federal court has served summons to superstar Amitabh Bachchan in the 1984 Sikh riots case. The summons are issued by a federal court in LA and was served on the superstar's Hollywood manager. Rohit Khilani joining us on the phone line with more. Rohit, we understand that the New York-based Sikh for Justice establishment had filed a lawsuit against Bachchan claiming that he has instigated violence against the Sikh community through provocative slogans back in 1984.
Yes, this is, like you said, this is an old case, and this is it's a popular Sikh right body. It's called, it's popularly known as SFJ, Sikh for Justice. The lawsuit says that Mr. Bachchan, they claim that he had instigated violence against the Sikhs in the US and everywhere in the world. There's a community with a slogan that's the blood for blood, and the slogan this goes way back in 1984. So the summons were handed over to Mr. Bachchan's manager in LA, and this was just 2 days ago on Monday. So we are expecting some kind of a reaction from Mr. Bachchan. We haven't heard anything so far. But yeah, this case goes back like 1984. So we wonder why it's come up now. And we spoke to managers of Mr. Bachchan, and they had no clue about this. But these are obviously the managers in India who we are in touch with. The managers in LA. We hope that by evening we should be able to hear from the superstar.
Right, and Rohit, if you can actually sort of shed light on what these provocative slogans were back in 1984, not what they were, but the kind of context, if you can actually just put it in for us, because we understand we're getting reports coming in that the movie star has also denied these allegations.
Yes, the same report by the PTI says that Mr. Bachchan has denied the allegations. There were obviously some slogans that upset the Sikh community, in 1984. And the fact that they are saying these slogans were blood for blood. Now that in fact we're wondering where this is coming from. Obviously the fact that they have filed a lawsuit in the LA court. This obviously makes it quite serious for Mr. Bachchan and his lawyers. So now obviously Mr. Bachchan has time till for 21 days, and then he by March 17th he's supposed to respond to these charges. And if nobody responds to the charges, then they will be going to the court for this.
Rohit Khilani, thank you so much for bringing us that update. We'll continue tracking the story. Remember, this is a summons have been issued to superstar Amitabh Bachchan in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case.